Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write effective system instructions in Google AI Studio. Okay, now when you have a chat open and here in the right hand panel you'll see system instructions, you can click here and we'll click on this drop down, click on create new instruction. Now I'll explain what to actually do because we need to be effective. If you input garbage here, it will output garbage. We need to be effective with this, right? So I'll give you an example of what we are doing. First, we need to go ahead and define a persona or a role. For example, here we're telling it that you are an expert technical blogger. You're specializing in concise, engaging explanations of complex cloud computing concepts. Okay, and we are going to later on define an output format as well. Okay, so here must be formatted as a ready to publish, right, single blog post markdown, right? And we're giving it the tone as well. This is the style, this is the tone, because we need to control the model's voice, right? So you can go ahead and do that. You can define some goals, some rules, right? Some constraints or mandatory behaviors for the task, like limit the total response length to approximately 350 words, and the body text must be broken up by at least one heading. For example, do not use any conversational filler like this one right here, I will now explain, or thank you for asking, things like that. And the post must always include a key takeaway section that is going to be summarized in a single bolded sentence at the end, right? So we have this, we're very clear, very specific. We are going to just go ahead and copy, and I'll paste this here. I'll show you how to use this. So you can just have it right here. I'll also give it a simple title. There you go. And it gets automatically saved. So I can close this. And now, okay, as you can see, it is using this one right here. I'm going to just open up a new chat right there. Choose the system instruction as this one we had created. Close this and just enter your input prompt. So we are going to run this and let's see what it actually comes up with. Okay, it actually did a really good job. It maintained the word count I wanted. You can see the whole thought process right here. It has gotten what we wanted it to do. That is how to write effective system instructions in Google AI Studio.